things that I hate about school. That one learner that will say, ma'am, you forgot to give us homework, or ma'am, you forgot to check homework. Bro, if I catch you, count your days. If I catch you, bro, watch that mouth of yours, bro. Watch it. That one learner that will, when you talking, and then they will be like, shh, keep quiet, ma'am is talking. Shit. So who do you think you are? You think you're the president? Who do you think you are? Are you a policeman now? Are you a policeman? You want to keep you good girl, good boy. Ooh. Who do you think you are? You're not perfect. Count your days. Or hang yourself with toilet paper. That one teacher that will go to the bathroom and then the class will be making a noise. And then he just comes in the class and then the whole class is quiet. What black magic are you using, bruh? What are you using? Because we were enjoying our time, bruh. And we were laughing loud. For I know, I can't control my laugh. How do you make the class keep quiet like that and my laugh is gone? What are you doing to us? What? When you come late to school and you already stood in the line for being late to school and you have to explain to the principal why you're late. And then you explain and then you come to school and every learner is in the class. And then you get to the class and the teacher says, stay out. What? What? I already explained myself to the principal. And you don't want to let me enter the class. Who's paying you, man? Isn't it the principal? She allowed me into the school. Oh, he allowed me into the school, but you... No.